Welcome to App School. My name is Steve, and today I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up the Docker engine on Ubuntu Desktop and Kali Linux, as well as other similar Linux variants. All of these instructions can be found on the Docker documentation website linked in the description below. First things first, let's ensure that we're starting with a clean slate. We don't want any existing Docker binaries or packages causing conflicts. To make sure that we don't have any, execute the following command: sudo apt remove docker.io, docker-compose, docker-doc, podman-docker. This is going to remove any of the versions that may have been installed through your local package manager. Now it's time to get Docker installed using the convenient installer script available from get.docker.com. We can do this by running the following command. Go ahead and copy and paste this, either from the description below or from the installation website. Once you successfully installed Docker, it's time to start the Docker service and ensure it runs automatically on boot. We can use the following command to achieve this: sudo service docker start. Now that Docker is up and running, let's test it out with a simple hello world image. This will confirm that everything is running smoothly and Docker is operational. Simply run sudo docker run hello world. Perfect. It would definitely be more convenient if we didn't have to use sudo every time we want to run Docker commands. To do this, we can add our current user to the Docker group by using the command sudo usermod -ag docker, and then pass in our current user. In order for these changes to take effect, we'll need to reboot the system, which we can do with sudo reboot. And we're back. Let's verify that we no longer need to be root in order to run Docker images. This time we'll simply run docker run hello world. Congratulations! With Docker up and running smoothly, you're now able to dive into the wide world of Docker images and containers, making your own development and deployment tasks a breeze. You can build your own Docker image, you can consume existing ones, you can even extend ones and build multi-stage Docker images, which are topics that we'll cover in a future video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments. Check out our Discord server. You can find a link in the description below. We're here to share knowledge with the YouTube community and help you on your journey to becoming a skilled software engineer. Thank you for joining us here at App School. Have a fantastic day, and as always, happy coding.